machine will give you an email on your iPhone saying, I'm ready for the next job. Different information can be sent from the printer to an email address. We can monitor remotely the status of the printer, allowing real, unattended printing. Again, a feature which is only being found in the bigger, expensive machines is now available on our JB300 series. Instead of printing on all night with no ink, this machine will send you a mail and say, I need more ink, or I need more media because our ink consumption is extremely low. How do we get this done then? So we're getting speed, we're getting quality. There must be a trick. Yes, there is. And we have patented this trick. This trick is our unique three-way intelligent heater, where Chairman was also referring to. We have patented this in Japan, in the US, and in China, which is really important for us, as you can understand. Ensuring this higher print quality is because we now have a solution when the media moves in to determine what temperature is needed exactly at what moment of the print stage. The post heater provides additional drying function right after the printer. And the top blower, which is right here, is forcing air over the solvent media to evaporate it faster. And of course, when you have a machine running that speed, you need a better and stable take-up feed. We've included this. We always try to think about things. We heard from people saying, we need a better pinch roller control. Sometimes we want pinch rollers, sometimes we want a few, sometimes we only want the two on the back side or on the outsides. So we came up with a solution which is really easy. And there's two pictures. What you basically do is you press this button on each pinch roller and it automatically comes up. You want it back down, you press again and it comes down. Ease of use. We understand the message. You want to produce easily. And if that means you want to produce easily, Mimaki has always had this really nice small 3 or 4 line digital panel. Well, life changed. We now have a full display of 3.2 by 2.2 centimeters, fully color, which is giving you all the status information of our machine. And one of the coolest things of this machine, outside of the great quality, the great speed, the low ink consumption, the nozzle check function, all these engineering things, and I have to say, Chairman, I have to thank our engineering. When it's happy, it blinks with a smiley, which I think is great. And it's important for us because we, again, want to be close to our community. When our printer is happy, our customer is happy. When our customer is happy, we are happy. Again, outstanding speeds. By the way, this presentation will be on the Mimaki website for press, and I'll give you the link separately by Maya, so you can download this whole presentation, and there's more slides going more in depth for some of the stuff I'm doing today. Speeds on CMYK, on PVC, so self-adhesive vinyl, 32.7 square meters in draft, high-speed modes of 20 square meters, and even in the standard mode, which is absolutely perfect quality, at 10.4 square meters an hour. Going to banner, 105.9, but even if you go to the standard speed at 29 square meters an hour, you're getting the top, best quality. When you go into what we call draft mode in this machine, you can do outdoor banners at those speeds. So you're doing about 70 square meters outdoor banners on these machines. So what does it change when it goes to light black and orange and white? Speeds will probably go down. Well, you'll be surprised. Let's look at the standard speeds with CMYK, light magenta, light cyan, white, or light black and orange, and we are at 17.2, or even if you go standard, 10.5 square meters on PVC and 17.2 square meters on banner. Although in banner, on an average, you'll be running it at 33.9 square meters an hour. So, amazing quality, amazing speed, everything together in what I call a really beautiful design. I introduce you the JB300, 160, 130, and it is running on our booth. So, you probably have lots of these. Any questions? Prices. Available in the booth, but if you want to know the retail price of the machine, I can give that to you. Now I have the same problem as Sagami-san, and I have to take off my glasses instead of the other way around. Our JV 300 160 is priced at 19,800 euros.
For the 1.3 or the 1?
That's the 1.6, which is the standard in Europe size. The 1.3 is, let me check. I love them when they make these prices so small. 18,800. If you wonder why I had to look these up, these prices were determined yesterday. So the final pricing was just determined, so I don't know them by head. Any other questions? Was I that clear?
What's the official meaning of Mimaki about the thing that Epson said 2 months ago, that they will take over the market for at least 50%, and I compare it to HP that will do the other 50%, whereas Mimaki then going. You still use Epson printheads in this machine?
Let's put it this way. Would you believe me if I said that we will take over with 70% next year? No. So do I believe what they say? No. I think if you look at our numbers and our growth numbers on an average, I think every manufacturer has to go its own way. The big difference between the companies you're referring to and ourselves is our wideness of our portfolio. Instead of only having a solvent machine, we have a flatbed machine, we have textile machines, we have small format machines, we have a very range products, Caroline, and you know as well as I do. When they are confined to 1 or 2 different products. So, if you look at their products, please feel free. Let's talk in 3 years and see how many percentage they really got. I really look at history, and I don't look at the future. I look at the future with our products, and I think our future is very bright. Sophie?
Just a quick question, Mike. The configuration for the 300.
Yes.
Do you have to decide when you buy it, which you're going to go for? Is there any way you can change later?
In general, if you would start off with DICE-up, for example, you could switch to solvent.
Maybe more the colours.
If you look at the colors, no, in general, it needs a washing procedure. So you need to wash the machine, especially with white, because it has a white circulation system inside, where you need to recirculate the white, and once white is in there, it will take some effort to clean it out. But it is possible to clean out. There is a flushing possibility.
You start, say, with the Thai CMYK show, which I've got the other colours, you can.
You can, but you need to flush it. There is a procedure for it.
Okay.
But it is possible. It is not going to be very, like I'm going to do this in 10 minutes, and this afternoon I'm going to print orange, like black, and in the morning I'm going to do CMYK. It is something you really have to think about when you buy the machine. Any other questions? Then, I would like to say our final statement with Mimaki. Let's create together. Thank you for being here today. I'll see you at the booth. Please come by, and I really appreciate you being here. Applause for yourselves. Thanks.